The bird of longing. Duganum. On wings of music, a bird takes flight. To the window, on the melody of a piano's delight. But a naughty cat, ever ready to pounce, leaps to catch the bird in one mischievous bounce. The bird soars high, piercing through the roof, leaving behind a scarlet wound of longing, aloof. It flies away into the distance, without a destination. As adagio's melody crescendos, I count the messages between us that were sent. Greetings, like 1,000 suns. Shine even brighter than the introduction of the second movement. She said I have a beautiful mind. Like the applause of the audience after the finale. I long to hold her close, with all my might. Whispering how much I missed her. Waiting for the moment of happiness worth 7 years of pain like a cicada. But the bird of longing feasted on the cicada. Stopped my heart's beat. All my longing, taken away in a mocking spree. Laughing at the unworthy soul's destiny. Afterward, the bird of longing never returned. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.